Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aptitude Simplified Concepts. In this video, we are going to discuss tricky questions part 1 in simple interest. Without wasting time, let us see the first problem. A certain sum of money amounts to rupees 756 in 2 years and 873 in 3.5 years. Find the sum and the rate of interest is asking. No lengthy derivation is discussed in this video. Shortcut only discussed in this video. So kindly go through this video till end. In first line, amounts 756, a certain sum of money in 2 years. Amount years is given. That is 756 rupees in 2 years and 873 rupees in 3.5 years. What is the difference between years? It is the simple interest problem. So rate of interest is constant throughout the years. So what is the difference between 2 and 3.5 years? 1.5 years. Difference between 756 and 873 is 117. So in 1.5 years, the interest goes up to 117. So in 1 year, how much it goes? 117 divided by 15 into 10. 1.5 means 15 by 10. It goes into numerator. So 2, 3, 3 3s are 9. In 1 year, the interest is 78 rupees. So we have now we have first year amount is given, and 1 year interest is one year interest is we find out from the given questions. So what is the what is given is 2 years, the amount is 756. What is the 2 year simple interest? 78 into 2. So it is 156. We have amount and simple interest for 2 years. From that we have find principal amount. So principal is equal to amount minus simple interest. Amount is 756. Minus simple interest for 2 years is 156. So 756 minus 156 is 600. So now we have principal value and 2 years we have to find the rate of interest. What is simple interest formula? PNR by 100. PNR for 2 years is PNR for single year is 78 rupees. So n is taken as 1. If n is taken as 1, the interest is 78 rupees. 78, principal value is 600, number of years is taken as 1, then R we have to find. So rate of interest is equal to 78 divided by 6, it gives 13%. This type of questions is asked in IBPS bank main exams. So kindly go through this. Let us go to solve another problem. A sum was put as simple interest at a certain rate for 2 years. Had it been put at a 3% higher rate, it would have fetched rupees 300 more. Find the sum is asking. So a sum here principal amount is not known. Number of years is 2 years and rate of interest is given as tricky. What it given is 3. If 3% higher rate, it would fetch rupees 300 more. So 3 into 3% into 2 years, it gives 300 rupees more. That is 6% is equal to 300. From the very beginning, we are taking principal amount as 100%. Kindly go through the previous videos. Principal amount is always taken as 100%. So from the question we find 6% is equal to 300, then 100% is equal to x. Cross multiply these two things. X is equal to 100 into 300 divided by 6. So principal amount is x is equal to 5000 rupees. At a certain rate of simple interest, rupees 800 amounted to 920 in 3 years. If the rate of interest be increased by 3%, what will be the amount after 3 years is asking. So 800 is the principal amount. It amounted to 920 in amounted to 920 in 3 years. If the rate of interest be increased, rate of interest 3 percentage into 3 is 3 threes are 9 percentage. So if 9 percentage is increased, what is the simple interest value? PNR by 100, that is 800 into 3 threes are 9 divided by 100. 72 rupees is increasing. If 3 percentage is increasing for 3 years, 70, it become the interest value is increased by 72 rupees. So 920 plus 72 is 992. Let us go to solve another problem. A certain sum of money amounted to rupees 575 at 5 percentage in a time in which 750 amounted to 840 at 4 percentage. If the rate of interest is simple, find the sum is asking. In first line, amount is given and rate of interest is given. We don't know about principal amount and number of years. But in second line, they give principal value and the amount value, rate of interest is given. So from that we have to find n number of years, put the number of years in first step, we get the answer easily. So 750, in second line, take the second line. At the same time in which 750 rupees becomes 840. It is the amount value, it is the principal value. What is the difference between principal and amount? 840 minus 750 is 90 rupees. It is the simple interest value. Simple interest value. So, simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. It is equal to 90. Principal is 750. Number of years is not given. We have to find it. Rate of interest is 4 percentage. 4 divided by 100. 15 and 2s are 2 1 is 2. So n is equal to 3. Number of years is 3. If the rate of interest is simple, that is simple interest, rate of interest is simple interest, find the sum for first line. Here find the first problem, principal is not given, amount only given, amount is 575 and the rate of interest is 5 percentage. Number of years is 3. So how to solve? Here principal, two simple interest also not given. Here two unknowns. Two unknowns is given. How to solve this sum? It is the important question in IBPS exams, SBI exams also. How to solve? Let us see. No lengthy derivation is discussed. Only the simple shortcut is discussed. Take principal as 100. If principal is 100, if principal is 100, then the simple interest is 5 threes are 15. Multiply n into r. The simple interest is equal to 15 rupees. So amount, what is the amount value? Simple interest plus principal is the amount. Then 100 is becomes 115 in 3 years at 5 percentage rate of interest. So if 100 is the principal, then amount is 115. Then if amount is 575, what is the principal? Principal is taken as x. Cross multiply these two things. X is equal to 575 into 100 divided by 115. Cancelling this 1, 5, 460. So the principal amount is 460. So if two unknowns is given, simple interest is one unknown, principal is one unknown. So in this type of problems, take principal as 100. Let the principal as 100. Then find the simple interest. 5 threes are 15 is the simple interest. Add principal and interest, it becomes the amount. Compare the amount. If principal is 100, then amount is 115. If amount is 575, what is the principal amount? Cross multiply and you can get the answer easily. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.